Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 10 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a piece of furniture. And I've got these two images that have a chair, an advertisement. I've got this Hudson Bay Fur Warehouse, a scrap of sheet music, fire or smoke. I've got this train that's on fire. I'm not too keen on the guy being on fire there, so I'm going to cover that. Something that hangs on a string of cord, and I've got her bag. And bonus is typewriter text, and that's the closest I could get. I don't have a typewriter, and I don't know how to, I just don't have anything that's got typewriter text. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm doing pretty good. I'm going to lay this out to see where I want everything. I'm not really sure how I want to lay this out. It has rained and rained and rained here, but we'll be very thankful for it. I guess it is that time of year. Let's see here. Thinking maybe I can cover it up like this. Do something like that. Okay. Something like that. I don't think I mind covering that up. It really doesn't mean anything, but I want to definitely cover up that guy that's on fire. Okay, I'm alright. This was really a hard one for me this week. It just didn't make a lot of sense. Let me see. Well, I mean, for me, I had a problem finding images, I guess I should say. And it's not that it didn't make sense. I'm not very good at making a story with my collages. I just do what I think's pretty. Yeah, I think I kind of like that better, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I think that's what I'm going to go with. And I will supplement in here just to make it prettier. I want everything touching everything. I'm having a hard time. My nozzle doesn't want to stay. It keeps coming off. I cleaned it and it still doesn't want to stay on the glue bottle. Let's see here. Okay. Still reading that same book, the Susan Russo Anderson. I can't think of the title of it. I'm terrible with names and titles and things like that. I don't know why. There we go. Let's see if I can. Don't know why it won't stay on. Okay, now I've got some things that I can use to kind of embellish a little, maybe. I like the flowers. Kind of cover up that empty space. Maybe right there. Maybe right there. See, I've got that. I got that. Okay. Thankfully, I've already inked these. So I'll just add those down. Those birds are just singing outside my window. It's warm today, or it is now. It was cool when I woke up. But we went from 70s back down to the 30s at night. And it was cool yesterday and the day before, but it's supposed to get back up in the upper 60s and 70s today. And when I woke up this morning, I went ahead and put on a long sleeve shirt, but I quickly had to come out of that. Okay. I just pulled images from wherever I could find it. Okay. Yeah. I'm not sure I know this, and I think the flowers came from Making and Creating, the Digital Collage Club. That's from an Reader's Digest. And I'm not sure about these two. And that's just from a cut off from a book on my journal I'm making. I cut that off. Okay. Let's see, I've got these stickers that I may use around. Maybe the butterflies. I really enjoy the Digital Collage Club. You know, I paid the one-time fee, and I don't have to pay ever again. And it is, they've got some pretty digitals, and I have enjoyed it. And they get new stuff all the time. They got a Beatrice Potter kit. Now, some of the digitals are just a one-page digital, but they're very nice. You know, you got lots of ephemera. And so I really have enjoyed it. And let's see what else. Like that one. They really help me out a lot on these collages that I do. Love these stickers. I got them for Christmas. They are shiny and you have to cut them, but they still are very pretty. If I can see what I'm doing. Maybe if I get into the light. It's tough being nearsighted because I don't care. I get glasses and then it doesn't take long before when I read or watch YouTube, I just about have to take off my glasses to do that. But it makes it hard for that going from close up to far away because I can't see anything far away. My husband's different. He's got 20/20 way out there, but when it comes to being able to read some small print, he's got to have some glasses. Both my sons have to wear glasses. I'm afraid that I blame me for that. Of course, his parents did too. Jimmy didn't have to, my husband didn't have to wear glasses until the last few years. I don't know how blessed he is. I've always wanted to have the LASIK surgery, but insurance won't cover it, so that's never happened. I like those. Wonder if I should do a few more since those are kind of in a straight line. I didn't really actually mean to do that. These are pretty. Okay. And see, I had another one. There it is. Alright. So far, so good. And now, you guessed it, got to do my splatters. And black. Just a little. All right. Well, we've got our piece of furniture, an advertisement, scrap of sheet music. It's kind of hidden, but it's back there. fire, smoke. I've got fire, something that hangs on a string of cord, her purse, and typewriter set. And I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.